Hi there! Are you ready for a special adventure today? Meet Faris. He's here for an MRI. It sounds like a big word, but it's actually just a very cool, giant camera that takes pictures of the inside of your body. Before we start, every astronaut needs their spacesuit. We have to change into comfortable hospital clothes. And here is the most important rule: no metal allowed. The MRI machine is a super strong magnet. That means zippers, buttons, jewelry, and toys have to stay in the locker. They will be safe and sound right here, waiting for you. Welcome to the scanning room. Look at the machine. It looks like a giant donut, doesn't it? Or maybe a spaceship tunnel. Nothing touches you inside. It just takes pictures using magnets and radio waves. Here is the secret to a great picture. The machine is very noisy. It makes loud thumping sounds, like a drum. These headphones protect your ears. You might even hear music or a story. Now it's time for the statue game. You have to stay perfectly still, frozen. If you wiggle, the picture gets blurry, and we have to start over. And you did it! You won the statue game. The pictures are perfect. See, an MRI is safe, about 30 minutes approximately, and helps the doctors know exactly how to help you feel better. Great job, superhero.